Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This video is about my visit to the stunning coastal town of Kanyakumari. The drive from Nagarcoil to Kanyakumari was amazing and it felt great to be surrounded by such beauty. Our first stop was Sri Tirupati Venkateshwara temple. This stunning temple is a replica of the famous Sri Tirupati temple in Andhra Pradesh. You can see the gorgeous view of the vast ocean from here. Fun fact about this place is that the white tiled pathways act as a natural foot cooler on super hot days, which makes them a real lifesaver. The architecture of the temple is exquisite, and the peaceful atmosphere made my visit to this temple truly divine. Just from the temple itself, you can catch a glimpse of the iconic Vivekanand Memorial Rock along with the Thiruvalluvar statue, which I didn't expect I'll be able to see it. So that was a good surprise. The view was simply mesmerizing to witness, and I loved the entire experience of it. When we made our way to the entrance to catch the boat ride, even with our special ticket of rupees 200, the line was quite long, and you will see at the end just how crazy the regular line for charges of rupees 50 is. So wait till the end and I'll add it in the end credits. There were definitely people helping us to get on board, and the ride provided an incredible view of the place. But I did feel the overall experience to be a little unsafe and overcrowded, as too many people were boarding and many of the life jackets were in poor condition, and many people were just wearing the life jacket just for name's sake. When we headed towards the Vivekanand Rock Memorial, it was my wish to visit Kanyakumari. Always heard about Kashmir se Kanyakumari, and I have been to Kashmir, so I felt like I need to also visit Kanyakumari. So just being there in the moment felt really special. Also, unfortunately, we were not able to visit the Kanyakumari Amma temple as it is closed from 12:30 p.m. to 4 p.m. So whenever you plan your trip, make sure that you plan it in such a way that you get the opportunity to visit this temple. Also has a meditation room, and it's constructed for people to go there, meditate in silence, and it is definitely a peaceful experience. We also visited Sri Patham of Kanyakumari Devi temple, where you can see the footprint of Devi. No wonder it's considered a powerful divine place. The connecting bridge from Vivekanand Memorial Rock to Thiruvalluvar statue was under construction, and therefore we missed to visit. This place holds a great significance as it combines a point where all the three oceans connect: the Bay of Bengal, the Arabian Sea, and the Indian Ocean. From across the shore, you can clearly see the Sri Tirupati temple we visited earlier. It felt like a beautiful conclusion to our journey from where we started to where we finished. Here is one last view of this place before we leave. After soaking in all the sight, it was time to get back in the line to catch the return ferry ride. So even though you have a special entry tickets, it's just for entry, and everybody is in the same line when it's time to return. And here you can see just how crazy the queue was for the special tickets, and then even much longer line for the general tickets. That was my experience exploring natural beauty and iconic attractions of Kanyakumari. If you enjoyed this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. I'll be sharing more travel content soon, so subscribe to my channel and join me on my adventures. Until next time, thanks for watching and take care.